Hi, this is Zach Meir from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Wednesday the 25th of May. Starting off with Asia Met Resources and some news out today, but we need to see the shares back above the 10-day moving average at 2.39 pence to confirm a new leg to the upside. It started, there was also this resistance line in the RSI window as well from April, which needs to be cracked at 40 pence. Otherwise, a chance for further drift towards the 2 pence zone. But this is overall a decent situation, just a matter of consolidating the gains that we saw obviously at the end of March going into April. Moving along to CapEx, and position here is remains a constructive one. We've already had the base being put in since the break back above the 50-day moving average at the end of February. That's the blue line there now at 4.23 pence. Nice little bull flag consolidation above the 200-day moving average at 4.65 pence. And while we're above that, looking for considerable upside as high as 8.59 pence, even at the top of a rising October price channel. Obviously slightly wary of this previous bull trap through the 200-day moving average, but while there's no end of day close back below that line, looks like we're set fair for a decent push to the upside over the next month or so. Filtronic is next, and this has been on the radar for quite some time as a bullish situation. Obviously the vertical push through the 200-day moving average at the end of March. We also had then a golden cross buy signal hitting around the 8.5 pence level last month. New support coming in at or above old resistance, which is normally a very positive sign, and we can say that at the moment, while there's no end of day close back below the 20-day moving average at 9.87 pence, we're looking to a top of August price channel as high as 14 pence over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Next stock, one which is just starting hopefully on the bull tack here, the rebounds that we've got around the 4.5 pence zone in recent sessions. That could be the bottom of a rising trend channel from December, and as little as an end of day close above the 50-day moving average at 4.89 pence should do the trick as a momentum buy trigger as we look for a retest of the 8 pence April resistance zone. Stop loss back below 4 pence on that one. Jersey Oil and Gas, not a stock which I've looked at for quite some time, but looks to be in fine fettle technically. Rising December trend channel here, based at the 50-day moving average at 14.91 pence, and really while we're above that, looking for decent move within the trend channel up to as high as 25 pence. Second bounce off this RSI support line from February should provide the momentum to take these shares higher over the next month. That 25 pence could be hit as soon as the end of June. Finishing off with MX Oil and Gas, where we're still hoping and praying for a turnaround here, a lasting one. Interesting here that the RSI has bounced off a neutral 50 level, which can be a leading indicator on a fresh leg to the upside. Some decent support here at or above the 0.8 pence level, and while we hold that, one would be looking for a retest of last month's resistance towards 1.15 pence plus. If you're cautious on the shares, neckline resistance really at 1 pence, so wait for that to be cleared before pressing the buy button. But still decent wedge breakout there for April, May, even though we had that final bear trap below 0.5 pence. In fact, the view of that bear trap is that it was actually help to the longs in the sense it flushed out the last of the sellers. But see what happens there. That's it for me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.